Well, I decided maybe it's time to pull over for a while. There's a lot of snow out there, and the roads are really icy. But it's a winter wonderland out there. Welcome to spring in Alberta. I told everyone we were going to have one big storm just before the end of the month. Always happens. Oh, look, there's a doggy out there. Big, fluffy flakes. We've got, well, there's a good 6-7 inches here. Inches, not centimeters. So just hunkering down for the night. I'm out by Wabamun. I love watching the snow. I just don't like being in it. Woohoo! Where'd the lane go? Here it is. Spring, snowy storm. Sit down.